Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you step by step how to change Android notification sounds. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, tap on settings, then scroll down and tap sounds and vibration, then tap notification sounds. And here we have two types of notification. We have notification for SIM 1 and we have for SIM 2 if you have a two SIM cards. So the first SIM, so this is the notification. Here we have a multiple notification. Here we have a multiple sounds notification. You can select any one you like. Example this. I'll select this one. And also the same way for SIM 2. I'll select this one. So that's it how you can change notification sounds. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you to the next video.